Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. The Continental GT Mulliner is the most exquisitely crafted Grand Tourer on the road. With a wealth of handcrafted details, it is instantly recognizable as a car fit to bear the name of the world's most renowned automotive coach builders. Yet it is also a Bentley, and that means Bentley performance. Advanced engine technology delivers effortless acceleration and incredible top speeds for such a comfortable, luxurious car. Computer-controlled chassis systems, meanwhile, make dynamic driving safer, easier, and more thrilling. A true luxury flagship, the Continental GT Mulliner is everything a Grand Tourer should be and more. Put your foot down in the Continental GT Mulliner, and you can be forgiven for believing you will never run out of power when configured with the 4.0-liter V8 engine. It can propel you from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3.9 seconds to 100 kilometers per hour in 4.0 seconds, and onto a top speed of 198 miles per hour 318 kilometer per hour. Choose the 6.0-liter W12 engine, and it takes just 3.5 seconds to reach 60 miles per hour 100 kilometer per hour in 3.6 seconds. Top speed is a phenomenal 208 miles per hour 336 kilometer per hour. There is a standard palette of 16 exterior finishes. However, your choice rises to more than 80 colors when you consider Mulliner paints and the extended range. The optional Mulliner Blackline specification, meanwhile, takes all the car's brightware, the exterior detailing normally finished in chrome, and renders it in black. It also includes a black finish for the 22 Mulliner wheel, which can be paired with optional carbon ceramic brakes, featuring black or red calipers. Inside, Bentley's entire range of veneers is available, including contemporary open-pore woods, or high-gloss options that can be elevated further with the addition of gleaming metal overlays. Technical finishes, meanwhile, include carbon fiber and engine-turned aluminum.